right, today take a look at 13 Chefs food grade mineral oil. So this does come properly sealed, which is always a good thing because you don't want to have any of this making a mess. So what this is for nice cutting blocks like this. This is one that was made for me, custom by a guy that I work with, and I absolutely love it. I want to protect this thing, and the way that you do that is you just put some mineral oil on it occasionally. It'll restore any damage that's on it, and it'll help to protect it. So you just let that soak into the wood. It'll help to moisten the wood, and plus because this is food grade, it means that you can just go and cook or, lay down some vegetables, some fruit, whatever you're going to eat right afterward, and you don't have to worry about this oil affecting you. So this is very good oil. There we go. So that is a beautiful cutting board. And a big part of this is just making sure that none of this wood dries out. Because if it starts drying out, it starts cracking. We want this to stay in good condition. And there we go. That is a beautiful, thick cutting board and well protected. This is not the first bottle of this that I've used. I've actually got this before. This is great for automotive smoke machines because it makes a beautiful wispy smoke when you run it through the proper machine. So where a lot of oil is going to create just like a fog, that's going to be kind of hard to detect where anything's actually coming from. This actually makes lines through the air. So that's how you can tell a high grade mineral oil. And the other thing that I use this for is just for lubing up O-rings. So anything where you're going to have a water system where a regular like engine oil or something like that wouldn't be good for the particular system, you can lube up the O-ring and then you can slap parts together and you don't have to worry about that O-ring tearing because it is properly lubed, and this is still good for water systems. So yeah, I use this all the time. This is great stuff. If I'm looking for a high quality mineral oil, this is my go-to.